Hi. People often assume professional organizers have perfect homes all the time. The truth might surprise you. Today, I'm sharing the 10 organizing systems I actually use in my own home that save time, reduce stress, and make staying organized much easier. Now, first of all, one of the questions I hear most often is, Carrie, is your house always perfectly organized? Or they'll say, oh, I would love to see how you've organized your home. Now, is it perfectly organized? I don't think it's perfectly organized. I do have it organized, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's never messy. As you can see, I have some flowers I need to return to someone right there. Now, is this room pretty well organized? Yes, but look at those books right there that I haven't found a place for. So, is my space organized? Yes. Do I have some things that I still need to find places for, or do I still need to continue the decluttering process? Yes. Now, the professional organizers are human too. Life happens, laundry happens, busy schedules happen. The difference isn't perfection. The difference is having systems that make it easier to recover when life gets messy, easier to reset. When things used to be out of control at my home, I would spend a month, maybe a week, trying to get things back in order. Where now I have a stational system and a place for everything, so when it comes to picking up, it's quick and easy. So the difference is having systems that make it easier to recover when life gets messy. Today, I'm sharing 10 organizing systems I personally use in my own home. The first one is everything has a home. Everything, every item in my home has a designated location. When something doesn't have a home, clutter begins, hence that space right there. In that space, if you're constantly finding items left out, ask yourself, where does this belong? Or where would I look for it and put it there? Now, secret number 2, less stuff means less work. One of the biggest organizing secrets is simple. I own less than I used to. Fewer items means less cleaning, less maintenance, less decision fatigue, less stress. And let's go on now to secret number 3, daily reset routines. Don't wait for clutter to become overwhelming. Every day, I spend few minutes resetting key areas: the kitchen, the living room, bathroom, entryway. Small actions prevent big problems. Now, number 4, the one touch rule. When possible, I handle things once. Mail gets processed right away, items get returned immediately. Avoid moving things from pile to pile. Now, secret number 5, simple paper management. Paper clutter creates enormous stress. I immediately sort, action, file, recycle. Simple systems work the best. Now, number 6, function over perfection. Instagram worthy spaces are nice if you can maintain them, but functional spaces are better. Organization should serve your life, not create more work. Now, number 7, donation box always ready. I have one in my closet. I keep an ongoing donation container available. When I find something I no longer need, it goes directly into the donation box, or I have a bag that I'll start putting things in. Number 8, the container limits. Containers create boundaries. If a container becomes overfilled, something needs to leave. Containers should limit clutter, not hide it. Plus, I use containers as a cue. If they're full, that means I need to wash the dirty dishes in the container. I never let it overflow. Number 9, regular editing, cluttering, or discarding. Organizing isn't a one-time event. I regularly evaluate clothing, kitchen items, office supplies, decor, books. What worked last year may not serve me today. Every year, I go through my holiday decor as I decorate and decide which things I'm continuing to keep and what I'm not continuing to keep. Now, secret number 10, calendar organization. Physical clutter often starts with the time clutter. An overbooked schedule frequently creates overwhelmed home. Protecting your calendar protects your professional organizer. Are the most organized homes are not maintained through motivation. They're maintained through simple systems repeated consistently. Now, waiting until overwhelmed is a mistake. Buying storage before decluttering is a mistake. Another mistake is organizing without maintaining, expecting perfection, creating complicated systems. Now, here's something to try today. Choose one of today's systems that we talked about. Implement it this week. Don't try all 10 at once. Focus on progress over perfection. Now, professional organizers don't have perfect homes. We simply use systems that make organization easier to maintain. Small habits produce lasting results. Now, if this video helped you, subscribe to Fullerton's Professional Organizing and check out my website, which is www.fullertonprofessionalorganizing.com. And tell me in the comments, which organizing system are you going to try first? All right, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.